Hey friends, a lot of users wish to know when Windows 11 came out, and they wish to know till when its support will continue. So let us check for that. Although the answer is 5th of October 2021, but we can always check for it on Bing, and then it is 5th of October 2021. And till when will Windows 11 be supported? Okay, so we don't know, there is no definitive reply to this. Okay, it may be supported till 2031 or even beyond that if a further version is not available, because there is no announcement of Windows 12 till date. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.